Good evening, my name is Praditya. So how are you? I think that you all are be fine. So my name is Babu Sharma and this is your YouTube channel. Today I am here to doing my warm-up exercise in my evening schedule. So first of all, now my first topic is about color. There are significant number of color in our world like red, yellow, green, white, blue, orange, etc. and other. But one of the most crucial color in our life, that is black. There are significant number of people as well as I also vary, or we can say wear black color in order to say other color, because when we wear black color it increase our personality level as well as our strength, or we can say the ability, because there is a no in order to say there is a no darkness in a black color. People can look like handsome, or we can say beautiful when he or she wear black color. So in order to say, the next topic of my today is light. Light is one of the most crucial thing in our life. Without light, people life is not possible, because someone is mishappening when people doing his or her own work, then light will off, means electricity power cut off, then people's faces face lots of problem due to light. They doesn't able to do their own work which they are doing their own high priority. On my next topic is about AC. AC is the best thing, as we know that in our modern India as well as in foreign country, people must use their AC in their homes, study area, coaching center as well as their MNC which they work. AC, as you know that AC is most crucial thing, but it is also dangerous for us, because the air produced from the AC compressor is harm our body as well as the ozone layer. Ozone layer is basically a layer that protect us from our ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are basically very harmful for us, and the ozone layer it basically work on the ultraviolet rays. And my next topic is about phone. Phone is the one thing. Without phone nowadays in modern area, people without phone life is not possible. Everyone has phone, even a child, or we can say that old citizen, or a student, or we can say that our local area. With the help of phone, people do various types of programs, or we can say various types of processes, like with the help of phone people do multiple tasks, like even he or she will sing us listen a song, or we can say play a music, watching a video, or playing a game. So phones is basically a technique that connect us people from one place to another place, because sometimes it happen that you and me, for example, if a person is far long from his home and he doesn't able to talk, then one of the most important thing, or we can say that technique that connect people from his family, that is phone. With the help of phone, people called our family as well as do various type of exercise. And the another thing is vehicle. Now my next topic is vehicle. Vehicle is also a most crucial thing in our life, because everyone in our life using vehicle. Vehicle nowadays, for a person who are going for a short distance or a long distance, they must using vehicle. Vehicle play a very important role. Sorry, there are lots of vehicle like electrical vehicle, motor vehicle, and other thing, etc. Now my next topic is about we can say that my next topic is about movies. There are significant number of movies as well as movies channel that are located, or we can say that can be seen by us in TV as well as in Netflix, Prime Video, which are made by our artist, or we can say that producer, for fun program. There are significant number of movies, but movies are basically used for our entertainment purpose, or we can say that study purpose. There are various movies. Let's see. Yesterday I watched a movie that is known as Gudiya Patole. The movies of Gurnam Bhuller. Sonam Bajwa and Tanya. This is a beautiful movie, and this movie I can learn various things like that how to live like a family and how to live in a village, because village is the most crucial thing. There are significant number of peoples that are living in village at that time, because village is most and as we say that it is most developing as compared to cities, because there are some village who are developing day by day as compared to cities. For example, because in village, as we know that agriculture is also a crucial thing. In our India, around 70% of people as well as their family members doing agriculture. Agriculture industry give us various types of food as well as vegetables, or we can say that seeds or natural products. Nowadays basically people use agriculture with the help of modern techniques, because modern technique increase the load work as well as do their work in less time. So my next topic is about we can say that books is also a important thing in student life as well as in other citizen life. Books is one of the way that increase our knowledge without because in when we read our books our thinking ability is increasing. So if a person read book daily, or we can say that newspaper is also a thing. There are significant there are number of newspaper in our local area as well as in our India. Around 50% of our modern population read newspaper daily, but around 50% does not read newspaper. They think that the news that provide in newspaper is like insufficient, or we can say that not complete. So they read news, but in modern sites like in YouTube, or we can say that Google. But newspaper is also a crucial thing, because newspaper basically define all the news in clear as compared to TV channel. In TV channel there are number of news channels like we can say that Times of India or Aaj Tak and other, but they always think that to how to increase our TRP. So news channel basically increase our TRP, because they know that people basically see that news which they increase our for example, nowadays there are some you know that about their Kerala story, and the news channel increasing our TRP by the seeing them. So according to my point of view, I am wondering, and I I am wondering and asking a question in ourselves, that why we see news channel if they have newspaper. So is there a correct answer, as well as in my mind happen that only use as well as read newspaper in case of other news channel. So thank you, have a good day.